Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to pair Bluetooth headphones to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to connect Bluetooth headphones to their Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to grab our Samsung Smart TV remote and then navigate to where it says settings. So click on settings. Next, you want to click on sound and then click on sound output. So here is where you're going to see all your different sound outputs on your Samsung Smart TV. So you want to navigate to where it says Bluetooth speaker list and then click on it. So once you're on this page here, you can see that my Samsung Smart TV is now searching for Bluetooth devices. So you want to grab your Bluetooth headphones and then put it into pairing mode. So for this pair of headphones, if I press and hold the power button, it'll actually go into pairing mode once the light starts flashing. And now you can see that's in pairing mode. So if I give it a couple seconds, it should appear on my Samsung Smart TV. So here it is. So this is the first pair of headphones that I can connect to my Samsung Smart TV. On other types of headphones, like for example my Bose headphones, if I turn it on and then swipe right to where it is the Bluetooth icon and then hold it, it should enter pairing mode. And then once it's in pairing mode, you can see that my Bose headphones here are called Hypernova. Now I just select the Bose headphones. So if I click on my Bose headphones, for example, and then click on pair and connect, it should take a couple of seconds to actually connect to my headphones right over here. And then there you have it. I've now got a confirmation that my Bose headphones have been connected. Now the last thing is that if you go back to the previous page, on your sound output page, you want to make sure that your headphones here are connected. So it's indicated by that green icon right there. So you want to make sure that this is selected, but you can switch between different sound outputs here. So just make sure that you choose the correct one. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Bluetooth headphones to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.